Hi everyone. Today we will discuss the importance of website reindexing and how tools like SpeedyIndex can help solve key SEO challenges. Website reindexing plays a crucial role in ensuring your site's visibility in search engines like Google. We'll break down why reindexing matters when you need it and how SpeedyIndex simplifies the process. Let's get started. Why is website reindexing important? Increases search visibility. Indexing adds your pages to Google's database, making them discoverable for relevant search queries. Fixes indexing issues. Resolves errors like crawled, currently not indexed, ensuring your content becomes searchable. Keeps content updated. Reindexing ensures search engines quickly recognize new pages, updates, or changes to your site. Boosts SEO rankings. A fully indexed website improves your chances of ranking higher in search results. When do you need reindexing? After adding new pages or content. When making changes to your site structure, such as navigation or internal linking. To resolve technical issues like misconfigured robots.txt files or noindex tags. After fixing penalties from Google. To ensure new backlinks are indexed, improving domain authority. How to request reindexing. Google Search Console. Use the URL inspection tool to manually submit URLs for indexing. Update your sitemap. Ensure your sitemap is current and submit it to Google for efficient crawling. SpeedyIndex bot. Automate bulk URL reindexing and monitor indexing status with this tool. Fix errors. Before submission. Address issues like duplicate content or slow loading pages before requesting reindexing. How SpeedyIndex helps with reindexing. Bulk indexing. Submit multiple URLs at once for faster results. Real-time reports. Get instant updates on your site's indexing status. Backlink indexing. Ensure backlinks are indexed to boost SEO. Error detection. Identify and resolve issues like crawled, currently not indexed. Tips for successful reindexing. Configure robots.txt and meta tags correctly. Regularly update and submit your sitemap.xml to search engines. Use tools like Google Search Console and SpeedyIndex bot for faster indexing. Focus on high-quality content that attracts backlinks. Monitor your site's indexing status to address issues promptly. With the right tools and proactive strategies, reindexing ensures your website is fully optimized for search engines, driving more traffic and improving your online presence. Thank you for your attention.